Hey y'all, good morning from Orange Beach, Alabama. I'm going to do something a little different for our YouTube channel today. I'm going to walk the beach and give you guys like an update. We've had a lot of seaweed lately, and a lot of people ask us like what the water's looking like right now and how the seaweed is. I do this on our other social media platforms like TikTok. I give a daily beach update. So if you're not following us on TikTok, go do that. Sweet Southern Living on TikTok. So I thought I'd try it on the YouTube channel. A lot of y'all respond well when we do videos on campgrounds that are here on the Gulf Coast, and we live down here, we stay down here a lot, so I thought I'd try this and see if y'all like it. If you do, please remember to subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments where you'd like us to go. Today I'm at Cotton Bayou in Orange Beach, but we can go, Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, Alabama Point. We go to Pensacola sometimes. So let me know where you'd like us to go. And if you like this, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. So let's go check out the water. Thanks for watching, y'all. If you come down, remember to leave only footprints. Make sure you pay attention to the beach flags and have fun.